Hi everybody, I'm starting this new series of videos about my new book, Tantric Loving, Sacred Sexuality for Singles and Couples. This is going to be the fourth book that's in the series of Tantric Mastery series, of which the first three books are Tantric Dating, Mating, and Relating. I was originally going to call this fourth book Tantric Lovemaking, keeping with the INGs there, but I've had some trouble with Amazon banning my books and thinking they're pornography, which if you've read them, you know they have nothing to do with that whatsoever. They're more about relationships and becoming a more loving person. And this book is going to be about sacred sexuality, but we're going to not continue in the spirit of not being pornographic. I wanted to say a little bit about Tantric Loving and lovemaking, that it's quite different. It's apples and oranges with conventional lovemaking that we're taught as what's normal, which is more about behaviors, certain types of behaviors and frequency, how often we make love and how hard the guy is, and whether or not the woman comes repeatedly, all of these kinds of measures for what constitutes lovemaking, which actually don't really exist in Tantra. We're not really interested in measuring behaviors. We're more interested in being mindful and in the moment and making a connection with our partner. And even if we're making love by ourselves, we're interested in doing it in a mindful, conscious way and in a way that's even sacred. So this book is going to address what that is, how to get there, some tips and suggestions and mindset, just like my other books that start with the mindset and then go into some exercises for you. So I hope you'll enjoy this series. It's been fun putting it together for you, and I look forward to seeing you again.